Hello, this is a quick demo of our HD2 menus digital signage program. I'll log in real quick, click on create new campaign, name this campaign demo, and select a full screen display. Notice you can also make displays with multiple zones and drop content in those multiple zones. So in this case, we're going to drop in some images in this timeline, uh, put in a little video. And you can also see where you can adjust the timeline of that image where you can extend it to play uh, for more than 10 seconds. We can do 50 seconds there. And then once you have your timeline filled up, um, there is options to instead of images and videos, you can do new applications, which is all these built-in different widgets for different types of clock options, for countdowns, for count ups to certain events. There's finance stickers, information, all of this is free to use. There's media RSS feeds that you can upload and connect here. Meeting room calendars that could be tied into your Google Calendar. Miscellaneous, we have our menu display application, quizzes and trivias, weather and exchange, and then there is a newsfeed feature where you can bring in different news feeds from CNN, from BBC, from different news sources. Social networks, you can connect your social networks here and then display your Facebook and Instagram feeds on the screen. Here's some text-based. If you want to do a little directory type of information, you can do a match score widget, a QR code, a score table. So there's a few options there. And then you can also take a URL from a certain website and display that. And then last, there is all these different types of weather widgets that you can use. And once you create one of these widgets, you'll have all your apps kind of listed under this. So in this case, if I wanted to drop in a weather widget, I can go ahead and do that. Now you see that I'm not able to drop in any more items. That's because my playlist is set to 30 seconds. I can go ahead and increase that to 90 seconds. And then I will be able to drop in my weather widget down here. Uh, if I select to choose any other widget, for instance, a clock widget right here, I can drop that in. And you'll see at the end that it will loop back. If there's extra time on this, it will loop back to my first image. Now I can click on preview button right here, and basically what it's going to do is give me a quick preview of the content that I've created, of the playlist that I've created. So that's the first image that I have in the playlist, and it will jump down to, I think after 10-15 seconds goes to this video. We'll go to the timer, and then once you're done with this particular playlist, uh, you'll click on save and publish to a player. And here we're going to select our media player. If you want to add it to the primary loop of content, or if you want to put this in the fallback loop. And then there's two specific ways you can trigger this content, um, or you can just simply go ahead and just play this always, or you can play this during a window of time. um, and you can also select where do you want to play it within a specific region. um, if you've divided your media players by different regions, and then publish. And once you publish that, it will download that particular content and the schedules onto the display, and it will be playing from that display from that point, or the media player. Here we can see the health of all the media players we have in the system, and here's the list of all the content that we have created or uploaded into the system. Again, there's a lot more features into this program, but we're going to be reviewing those in later videos. All right, thank you very much.